We the People versus a mother who's trying to get her child back from her sister. From her brother. I gave my brother temporary guardianship until I got situated, and he passed my daughter off to my sister who now has her and is trying to keep me out of my child's life. There's no court order and they live out of state. What do I do? Sweetheart, you go and you pick up your child. That's what you do. At the end of the day, you have what's called a womb as a mother. And so, it's easier for women than it is for men. It sucks. Well, it doesn't suck, because if you're a man, that's a real man, you were at the hospital and you signed the birth certificate, so you're okay. At the end of the day, long story short, man, you have a birth certificate and that is your child. There is no court orders. You know that because they'd have to sue you to get custody of your child. If they have not done that, you need to go get your child. And that's exactly that's it. You need to go get your child. So you're going to have to go file a writ of habeas corpus. You may have to file it where that child is. And you're going to have to go to court and have the court order your child back. The reason that the court needs to order your child back is because I'm sure they ain't going to want to give you your child, girl. So you're probably going to have to use the cops. And when you get a writ of habeas corpus and you get that order, you can also get a writ of attachment for the child, and you can get the sheriff's office to go get the child from them. And that's more than likely is going to be what you need to do. But girl, you need a writ of habeas corpus. That's what you need. Because you have your birth certificate of your child. That's all you need as a woman. That's it. They know that you had that child. Your name's on that birth certificate. That child's name is on that birth certificate. Men, the same thing goes for you so long as you sign that birth certificate. If you're not on the birth certificate, it presents a problem if you're not married to the mother, because there's no presumption that you're the father of that child. There are a few other ways that you can draw a presumption, but technically, if you're not married and that child doesn't have your last name, you're not on that birth certificate, you're going to have to get the child adjudicated yours before you can move forward with a writ of habeas corpus or anything else to get a child back. So, men, as long as you're being a stand-up man, you're fine. Ma'am, go get your child, file your writ. Next case.